Is every walk with your dog an exhausting game of tug-of-war? It feels frustrating, right? You just want a peaceful stroll, but instead, you're getting your arm pulled out of its socket. The good news is, you can fix this, and it doesn't involve yanking the leash or using harsh collars. After helping thousands of dog owners, I've seen it all, and the most common mistake people make is thinking pulling is a strength problem. It's not. It's a communication breakdown. And today, I'm going to give you the one secret that solves it for good. So, let's get into it. The secret isn't a fancy tool or a complicated command. It's a simple technique called the stop-and-go game. Here's how it works. The moment you feel any tension on that leash, you stop walking. Instantly. Don't pull back, don't say a word, just become a tree. Stand perfectly still and wait. Your dog will eventually turn around to see what's going on. The second that leash goes slack, even for a millisecond, you immediately say yes in a happy voice and start walking again. Now, this is where most people get it wrong. They give up too soon. The first few times you do this, you might only take a few steps before your dog pulls again. That's okay. Just stop again, every single time. Your dog is learning a new rule. A tight leash means we go nowhere, but a loose leash means the fun walk continues. It's a simple cause and effect lesson that dogs understand incredibly well. Think of it like this. You're not punishing the pulling. You're rewarding the absence of pulling. This is so much more effective because it empowers your dog to make the right choice. Let's break down the 3 key steps to mastering this. Step 1. Be prepared. Before you even leave the house, make sure you're calm and ready. If you're stressed, your dog will be too. Start your walk in a low distraction area, like your backyard or a quiet street. Step 2. Be consistent. This is the most important part. You must stop every single time the leash gets tight. No exceptions. If you let them pull sometimes, you're sending mixed signals and they'll never learn. Consistency is your superpower here. Every stop reinforces the lesson. Step 3. Be patient. This isn't an overnight fix, but you will see progress faster than you think. Some dogs get it in one walk, others might take a week. Celebrate the small wins like when they look back at you or walk by your side for a few extra seconds. Let's visualize this. Imagine you're starting your walk. Your dog shoots ahead, and the leash tightens. You immediately freeze. Your dog might keep pulling for a few seconds, maybe even glance back with a confused look. You just wait silently. Then he takes one step back towards you, and the leash loosens. The very instant it does, you say, "Good boy," and take a step forward, rewarding him. He might pull again 10 feet later. You stop again. He learns, oh, pulling stops the walk. A loose leash starts it. You are teaching him to pay attention to you and the leash pressure, transforming the walk from a battle into a partnership. So, to recap the core lesson, your power lies in your feet, not your arms. A tight leash stops the world, and a loose leash makes it go. This simple shift in communication teaches your dog to walk politely beside you because they want to, not because they're forced to. Remember, a great walk is built on clear communication, not control. You're building a bond of trust where your dog looks to you for guidance. I really hope this helps you and your furry friend enjoy your walks together so much more. If you found this useful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tips that make a big difference. And I'd love to hear from you. Share your own leash pulling stories or successes in the comments below. Your experience could be the encouragement another dog owner needs to see. Thanks for watching, and happy walking.